Want to know how to check your notifications in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. So once you have opened up your Playsee application, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are on this interface, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile, and right beside the profile you should be seeing something known as notification. It should be with the bell icon right here. So again, just simply select it, and now once selected notifications, here you should be seeing your activities, if someone has followed you, if someone has messaged you, and much more. So if you can also turn on and turn off notifications by going on to settings and doing it accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you see your activities or your notifications in the Playsee application. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.